How to fix Facebook login error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook login error on Android phone. First then open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again. Now just type here Facebook and then click force stop and go to data usage. And now just enable all of those here: background, data and Wi-Fi. And then go back to storage and click clear cache. And now just try again and restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.